So today I want to do unboxing of Michael Kors bag that I got on semi-annual sale, which is right now still running, and I've got this time. I also had coupon code, but I don't know if it was used on this one or previous one. So I had some coupon code and I've got new backpack from Michael Kors, and this one is called, forgot name, and let's open it. I will show you. Bag open like so, and here we have paper, nice backpack. So let's take it down. It's called Whitney. So here is the backpack. Look guys, it's so nice. It's made from the lambskin and it's packed like so. It comes with straps that have these hooks, and you hook them here to this part. I guess it's something new. And it has handle like so, and it's called, let's open it here, and you remove this, and this is how it looks. It reminds me actually of China one. Here is the nice stitching, and it's so nice smelling. And here it says Michael Kors here. Here it's also leather, which is nice and smooth. Actually here on sides it's opens on those clasps, and inside, let's see what it has inside. It comes with dust bag, and inside it has zipper pocket right here, and also it has some slip pocket right here, and it's called Whitney backpack. Middle, it's mid backpack. And in front it also comes with slip pocket, but it's not deep. And also it comes here with pocket on the back, which is here. And this one is just, actually it's deep, you can put your phone here. So yeah, this is my new backpack. It looks so cute and smells amazing. Wow, really smell nice. So yeah, that's it for today unboxing. Let's close like so. Let's open this one. Looks like so. it's connected here. Oh, it had also 4 feet. I think like so. And we put it here, and then we put through here. And this is how it looks like. It's kind of small, but so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like such unboxings, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one.